Hey friends, my name is Sheila Dunkley, and I have come on here to do a short tutorial to show you how to place a shop order using the Young Living order portal. And you can use this whether you are a brand partner, a customer, you have your account established, but you have not placed an order yet in it. Everybody can do shop orders through the Young Living portal. Order the products directly from yourself and get that 24% discount. So let's get right to it here. I'm going to share my screen with you and show you. We're going to be very, very elementary here. I'm going to show you how to log in. So on your browser, just type at the top youngliving.com and hit enter. And hit enter. Let's try that again. Here we go. And this is the main screen. Let me make this larger for you. This is the main company website. So you would go down to United States English, and there you're going to see this. Let me close some of these so I can see. You're going to see this. Well, I've already signed in. So this is my account. What you would see would be the sign in tab. Okay. At the top right, the sign in tab. Now, if you don't want to sign in yet because you're not quite sure what you want to get, you can go to shop over here on the left-hand side, up at the taskbars across the top. You can go to shop and shop by category. Okay. You can also look at your convention arrivals. This whole list here on the right-hand side is different sections that you can pop right to. Okay. They make it super easy for us. So tonight, I'm going to just, let's see, what am I going to pick? Let's pick, I'll tell you what, I placed an order earlier today, and I'll just go through those again. I placed an order for BLM, which stands for bone, ligament, and muscle. And when that comes up, whatever product it is you're looking at, it will give you a synopsis of what it is here. And you can go down to the bottom of the page. It will tell you about it. It will tell you the features, the safety, the ingredients, tells you how to take it, suggested uses. So this has a wealth of information here. It tells you the science and research about it. And then it will also give you other products that kind of go along with it. Agiles is another one that I'm placed an order for earlier. So we're going to put this in our cart. We're talking about cart orders this time. But notice right here, it tells you what the point volume is, the PV, and it's 49.5 points. And it's got this little flag here. If you see this little flag, that means you can purchase this using your accrued loyalty points, okay? If it does not have this flag, you would have to purchase it outright. You could not use your points for it. You could still order it on either a shop order or a loyalty order, but you just have to pay for it and cannot use your accumulated points for it. So we've got the PV here, and we're going to add it. We see the cost, retail is $65. It would be more, it'd be less for you because you're a member, but the retail cost is $65.13. Our discounted cost is $49.50. So we're going to add it to the cart. And you'll see right up here at the top, this is probably getting super elementary, but right up here at the top is your little shopping cart, and you've got one item in there. Now, another item that I wanted to order was Agiles. So I put that in there. And when it pops up, we can read more about this one. Sometimes there's more than the little paragraph. Okay, when we clicked on the read more, it says see the presentation here. When that happens, this is going to be a video that you can watch, actually. It's a PowerPoint that will tell you about the product. Eventually. There we go. So we're not going to watch this, but we could watch this to find out more about it if we wanted to. You can go into your account and do that yourself. You can see these related topics down here. There's just a wealth of information here. You can read the information. You could share this information with someone else by copying this link. You can also download this information, which will give you the English part. It may even download the presentation, y'all. I'm not sure. I haven't done that before. So there's what you can, oh, look at this. You can thumb through it. How cool is that? I am just seeing something for the first time, y'all. Whoa. Okay, see the benefit you get when you teach a class. Okay, so let's move right on along. We're going to close that out. I'm going to arrow back and get back to my shopping cart. Here we go. So I'm going to add the Agiles to my cart. And when I do that, that's all the products I'm going to do for tonight for this demonstration. It tells me that the estimated total is 102.50. Okay, so now I'm going to, actually, I don't know if I've got enough points in my cart to show you how to attribute the points. So let me add one more product. I'm going to add some peppermint. Okay, so I'll just add this peppermint vitality oil to my cart for demonstration purposes here. Now I'm going to view the cart. So when I view the cart, it shows me everything that's in there. And when I go to check out, this is, oh, let me show you this first. Enter promo code. If you have a promo code, occasionally Young Living will run specials and they'll give you a promo code. You would type that in right here and don't forget to apply it, because if you don't apply it, it's not going to come out of your total. So be sure if you enter a promo code, you hit the apply button. You can also donate $1 to the Young Living Foundation right here if you choose to. And then you're going to look at, you're going to hit checkout. And when you check out, you're going to verify your email address, your shipping address, and then you click continue. Okay, I haven't signed in yet. I'm going to sign in with my email and my password. And then when I sign in, then it takes me back to my cart, my shipping method. Right here is where you select what items you want to pay for with points. Now I have 25.44 points, okay, which it won't let me apply. See these grayed out boxes? It won't let me apply anything to those because I don't have enough points for those two items, but I do have enough points for the peppermint. So when I click here, it's going to attribute that on the right side. You can see how many loyalty reward points has been applied. So that decreases the amount I'm going to owe from the subtotal to the total. So earlier when I placed my order, I had enough points to literally pay for the Agiles and the BLM capsules. And all I had to pay was this $10.79 amount for the product tax. Actually, it may have been the product and the shipping. I think it was. So anyway, then you select what your payment method's going to be, how you're going to pay for it. You can put all sorts of cards and bank accounts in here, whatever you want to do. And then you would click continue. I want to be careful because I don't want to order this twice. I just ordered it earlier tonight. And then once you get to this page, you cannot submit your order until you click this box right here, which says I confirm that I'm purchasing the products either for my own use or for resale to other consumers, in which case I acknowledge Young Living's policies and procedures require that I document retail sales and provide customers with sales receipts. So we have to say we're going to do that, and we have to do that if somebody buys from us as a retail customer. We have to give them a sales receipt. And then after you check that box, you would simply click submit order, which I am not going to do because I just ordered my Agiles and BLM earlier today. So that's how easy it is to place an order using the Young Living portal. I hope this has been beneficial to you, and yay, I kept it under 10 minutes. Okay, if you want a topic to be taught on how to actually do it, put it in the comments below this post, and we'll be glad to teach on it. Have a good night.